Hey guys, my name is Anu. I'm the Glam Frau here on YouTube and also on Instagram. And if you're new, thank you so much for coming here and clicking this link. I appreciate it. And if you're already one of my subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Today's video is this glam look that I put together. Started out with a little bit of bronzy, shimmery, nudey kind of look, inspired by the Huda new nudes or the new mini nudes collection. But it kind of went into a phase where I wanted some color, so I splashed on a little bit of green. As you can see, it's really glowy and shimmery. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. You can see how I got this look, but before you do that, hit subscribe, join the family, show me the love, please. So let's get into the video.
So I'm going to start off by priming my face with the MAC Prep and Prime. This is a pore refining, pore filling primer which sets up the skin for a smooth foundation application. Going in with MAC Pro Long Wear in NC35. This is a sample that I got from the MAC store because, believe it or not, I do not have a MAC foundation. Next, going in with MAC Studio Fix NC25. This is the 24-hour concealer, and my gosh, I love this concealer, which you'll see in a few minutes why. Going in with the Morphe X Jeffree Star mini sponge. It's so cute, this sponge, and I'm just blending around my nose and under my eyes, and this concealer is so brightening and so amazing and so easy to blend. I am amazed. Next, going in with the iconic London Contour Cream palette. I'm just going to use this palette to contour my face using the warm colors around my forehead, around my cheekbones, and the usual places. Blending that in with the Huda contour brush. Next, going in with Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Unattached. I use this as a cream blush. Next, setting my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder under my eyes, around my mouth, and just lightly dusting it on the rest of the face. Going in with the Milani Soleil bronzer. This will just give me a warm wash of color around my face. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radiant. I'm using the peachy shade on the top right just to give it a nice glow. Next, going in with my favorite NYX micro pencil to just fill in my brows. Now for the star of the show, the Nude Medium by Huda Beauty. This is the mini palette. First, I'm going in with the nudie pinky transition shade, which is second row first color. Then going in with the deepest shade in the palette, I'm just cutting out the crease first, and then I'm going to blend in this deep shade into the transition shade with a fluffy blending brush. Going in with the glitter adhesive from ABH, I'm just putting that as a base, and then going in with the coppery shade in the palette. The inner corner, I'm just highlighting with the golden shade in the palette, and this is just helping me to brighten the inner corner and also the cut crease. Now, just to add some color, I'm going in with the Emerald Obsessions mini palette by Huda Beauty and just using the deep forest green on my lower lash line. Going in with the ColourPop black gel eyeliner, I'm just lining my eyes just to define them. Going in with Bad Gal Bang, one of my favorite mascaras, and just giving it a quick coat of mascara to my lashes. And adding a strip lash, and then of course going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amber lip gloss to finish off the look, and this is what the final look is like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.